পাৰ ফেমিলি 2 লাখকৈ গ্ৰেণ্ড চেণ্টাৰ দিয়া হৈছে। যেন হওক আমি অসম চৰকাৰক আমি ধন্যবাদ দিবই লাগিব আজিৰ দিনত যে আমাৰ বড়োলেণ্ড মুভমেণ্টৰ যিসকল মাৰ্চাৰ্ছ হৈছিলে ইহঁতক যে আজি স্বীকৃতি দিলে যে ইহঁতে আচলতে এজন বড়োসকলৰ বা বড়োলেণ্ড মুভমেণ্টৰ এজন হিৰো হিচাপে আজি আমি অসম চৰকাৰৰ পৰা স্বীকৃতি পাইছোঁ বুলি আমি ক'ব পাৰিম। আৰু যেন হওক ধন্যবাদ অসম চৰকাৰলৈ সৰ্বানন্দ সোণোৱাল ডাঙৰীয়ালৈ চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰ আছাম আজি এই মাৰ্চাৰ্ছসকলক 5 লাখকৈ গ্ৰেণ্ড চেণ্টাৰ দিয়াৰ কাৰণে।
Betterment of living for the common people. So like today Chief Minister is coming and other ministers are coming. We, the councils all together, there are 6 scheduled councils in the northeast, and we all together form a committee, the coordination committee, and we demanded direct funding for the councils. Now the government of India is bringing a bill during the present parliament session that for the empowerment of the councils, and we exactly don't know what are the assurances that the government of India is going to do. See, there are everybody can see like there is heaven and hell difference in the field of development. Prior to 2003, there was nothing. There was no infrastructure for development here in our area. There was no road facility. There was no institutions. But then within certain years, 15 years, we have been able to establish one university, Boroland University. We have been able to have a Central Institute of Technology, which has been upgraded to Technical University now by the government of India, the UGC. Again, we have been able to have a engineering college, and then small technical institutes in the entire 4 districts. And then there was no college at all, only 4 or 5 provincialized colleges over there. But now we have as many as 23 provincialized colleges, and more are coming up.